Hello, to find and manage display settings on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to go into your settings, and right here you have display. Here you have a bunch of settings to manage your display. Right at the top you have dark mode or light mode. You can choose whatever the mode you'd like. Right below you have dark mode settings, and here you can turn on your schedule for the dark mode, and you can set it to toggle between day and night, or you can set your custom schedule. Next you have brightness. You can change your brightness, and right below you can turn on adaptive brightness. Next you have eye comfort shield, which is also a blue light filter, and as you turn it on you can also change some change settings in here. You can set the intensity of the color of the blue light filter, and you can also set a schedule to toggle it between day and night, or you can set your custom schedule. You can also leave it to be always on, so you will manually turn it on or off. Next you have font size and style, and right here you can change your font style. You can also get more fonts if you'd like to. You can turn on bold font, and here you change the font size. Alright, next you have screen zoom, and right here you simply make your display bigger or smaller. Next you have full screen apps, and this is basically for very special cases, because as you can see all the apps support the full screen, but in case there is an application that doesn't support full screen, you can change it right here in the full screen apps. Next you have camera cutout, and as you can see you can hide the camera cutout area by covering it with a black bar, as you can see, and it applies to many applications as automatic. You can change it in a particular application, for example in camera. You can change it to hide camera cutout or show camera cutout. Next you have screen timeout. Right here you can change your screen timeout. Next is the navigation bar, and you can change it to buttons or swipe gestures, and you can also change more options of, in this case, buttons. Here you have the layout of your buttons. You can change your layout, and in the swipe gestures you can change your sensitivity of the gestures. You have the peer review of how sensitive your gestures would be. Alright. You can also turn off or on Assistant app in your home button, right here. Next you have accidental touch protection, which protects your phone from accidental touches when it's dark, for example in your pockets or in the bag. You can also toggle touch sensitivity, and right here at the bottom you have screensaver. You can select it to colors. You can change it. You can also select photo tables, photo frame and photos, and you can select which photos to use from your gallery. Alright, you can also turn it off completely by selecting none. Oh, also you can, as you set any screensaver option, you can also click here for peer review of how it would look like. Simple as that. And that would be all about finding and displaying, managing display settings. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.